How's it going, everybody? We're up here at US 27 Motorsports today checking out this beautiful 2025 Can-Am Commander XTP 1000R. I tell you what, this thing is slap full of goodies. Let's go ahead and dive in and check out some of the features. As you can see, this Can-Am Commander XTP is outfitted with a cab system, so no matter where you're going, what kind of weather, what kind of elements, you're going to stay comfortable. And with that being said, let's go ahead and interior and check out some of the features that also is going to keep you warm or cool inside that cab. On this Commander, we have a heat system and air conditioner installed right here. Ease of use right here on the middle console. You know, it's on right now and it is blowing warm air, which makes it really nice. And speaking of, this unit is installed also with heated seats, driver and passenger. One thing about the XTP that most people really don't like is when you're backing up, you can't really see too much out the back there, but I tell you what, we solved that problem and installed a rear camera system. That's going to make it really easy when you're backing this rig up. But this is set up for all elements. Has windshield wiper, has the heated seats, has heat on the inside. You have the winch controller, everything's right here. Even comes right here with a horn, real loud horn, and a blinker system. So that way if you're cruising around on the trails, you're cruising around on the back roads, you're gonna have all the blinkers that you're gonna need to be able to be visible out on the road. But if you like what you see and you want some more information, give us a call, 989-224-8874. We'll be more than happy to assist you in any of your needs. But I promise you, this Can-Am Commander XTP is not going to last long. It's fully outfitted and it's ready to rock. And it's 989-224-8874. Appreciate you guys.